Hello, we are students from the Baku European Lyceum and our project is Samar Carbon Monoxide Detector. Recently, we have been observing a rising number of deaths by carbon monoxide poisoning. Lots of people die from CO poisoning and this very saddens us. That's why we decided to build a smart carbon monoxide detector system with lots of features for safety. Our goal is to ensure civilian safety by incorporating different safety mechanisms into our system. The system will alarm you about the CO level wherever you are, and by achieving this we have to alarm the people about the presence of carbon monoxide before it is too late.
Method and experimental details. The system is built on Arduino Nano. It uses MQ7 gas sensor to detect CO gas. It has an LCD screen showing current ppm of CO, alarm system, ventilation system, and an electromagnetic solenoid gas valve used for demonstrational purposes but will be stopping flow of gas in real-world situations. The system also has a GSM module to alert the home or business owner of the danger through the trace. The system also has a function to send the CO ppm amount in the room via SMS if the user requests it through a keyword sent from phone.
Well, these are the parts of our detector, so that there is a GSM module, SIM800A on the left, and an Arduino Nano below it. Then there is a buzzer and the 4-channel relay module, which is connected to electromagnetic solenoid gas valve as well. There is an LCD screen on the top of the module, and we have a gas sensor, MQ7, and a 12V power supply.
On the right is the working system of GSM. If the keyword dose is sent, then the system will respond with the amount of ppm currently in the room. If the amount of carbon monoxide rises above the limit set by the user, then it will send a warning with the amount of ppm. If the word dose is not written correctly, then you'll receive an error message.
The system is in a fully working condition. If the amount of carbon monoxide in the air rises above the limit set by the user, the system takes safety measures. These measures involve the alarm system, the solenoid gas valve, and the ventilation system. First and foremost, the alarm system starts making noise and emits light to let everybody know of the danger. Solenoid gas valve stops the flow of gas into the room, and the ventilation system starts getting fresh air into the room, and the owner gets an SMS warning.
Target audience. Soil leakage can occur from heaters or cooking equipment that run on carbon-based fuels, which means soil poisoning can happen everywhere during the daily life, so every one of us needs a method of prevention from carbon monoxide poisoning. Because carbon monoxide is also used in central heating systems as a way to heat the water, soil poisoning cases are especially high in colder countries. Our system could save countless lives in those countries. Our system could be installed anywhere, in homes of families or in different facilities.
And this is the pure price of the product if it goes through a serial production, and just a list of components.
What do we expect? The problem is really widespread and there is a need to solve it. To produce this device we need all of the components, which could come out cheaper if bought in bulk. We also used a soldering device to connect the components, but this process could be automated with appropriate machines. We believe that the system will be useful and will save lives in the future.
This is the demonstration of our smart carbon monoxide detector.
And finally, thank you for watching.